Hello, today we are talking about graphing linear inequalities. So we're going to graph the inequality y is greater or equal to 3x plus 1. So we have steps that we're going to go through to graph this inequality, and our first step is solve for y. So we're looking at our equation, and is it solve for y? We're lucky because in this case it already is. I have y alone on the left side. Done. Now I'm going to graph using my slope and y-intercept. So I have to remind myself what the slope is and what my y-intercept is. So my slope is 3 and my y-intercept is 1. So if you recall, how we work with this is I start with my y-intercept, go to 1 on the y-axis, plot a point. Okay, so if you didn't draw a coordinate plane or write just the top part down, pause the video and do so, and then jump back in. So our y-intercept is 1, and our slope is 3. So from this y-intercept of 1, I'm going to move it closer. It's going to shake and drop things. All right, that should be a bit better. So from this y-intercept of 1, I then use my slope. So sorry, shaking. Okay, I go up 3. Because it's positive, I go right 1. Because 3 is 3 over 1. Plot another point. And then I do it again. Up 1, 2, 3. Plot another point. And I could continue, and I can also go the opposite direction by going down 3. But now I have to go left 1. Down 3, left 1, down 3. Then I have a really nice line here. And I have to, because it's an inequality, not an equal sign, it's an inequality, there's some information that's important. So the equation is y is greater or equal to that line, right? Y is greater than it or equal to that line. Because it's equal to that line, my next step is whether it's a solid or a dashed line. And because there's that equal to, it's a solid line. So I'm going to use a ruler, not really. I'm going to draw it super quickly, and you guys use a ruler or your ID and make it even better. And draw that line going through those ordered pairs. It's a solid line. If it were dashed, I would make it dashed. Okay, now the last part is where to shade, because we have solutions here that are greater than the line. So here's my line. I have all my solutions are equal to it and greater than it. So it's above the line. That's what I'm doing. I'm shading above. So here's my line. Where is above it? And that's all of this information here. Okay, so you would shade all that nicely with your pencil. Here's my final answer. Bit better. Oh, you can't see it at all. But this part is shaded. Maybe if I come closer, bring it there. Oh, you see it's shaded? All right, so those are your steps. Hopefully you got some practice in. And just realize that with these linear inequalities, yes, it's a line. We use our slope and our y-intercept, but we have so many solutions here.